What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate a Notion template created by someone else. So if you're on Notion and you want to duplicate a template, this is super easy to do, and I'm going to walk you through the steps. So you want to go ahead and create or add a new page, and then on the bottom you want to click on templates to go to the marketplace and find whichever template that you want. So that could be a free template, that could be a paid template. It's really up to you. I'm going to keep it simple, and I'm going to just simply scroll down here and just basically choose something that is free, right? So let's say this no fee finance, personal finance one here. I'm going to click on that. So you have the template right here, guys. And right now you don't have the option really to literally, let's say, duplicate the templates from here because this is the templates page, right? So what you want to do is simply go ahead and click and add. And once you add the template, you will be able to have that template added into your Notion. As you can see, it's on the left hand side. Now, you have the template here on the left hand side, and you can choose if you want to go ahead and use it like this or make modifications to it, or if you want to keep, let's say, the original design, but you want to now duplicate it. It's very easy to do. To do that, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, and here you'll find the option to duplicate. Simple click and duplicate, and it's going to make a duplicate copy with a number added to it for you. And as you can see, the template is now duplicated, and I can click on the new one that is duplicated. And this is it, and this is the original one. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.